In this video, we will combine our understanding of working with pi and also calculating the surface area of a cylinder. If you are unsure, please watch the previous example where we look at giving our answer in terms of pi and also calculating the area of the surface of the cylinder. To begin with, I will sketch out the sides that we are given. So we have a circular side, which is top and bottom, therefore we have two of them. The radius is given to me as 5. My curved side is a height of h and a distance of pi times the diameter, which in this case is 10. The radius, remember, is given to us. The diameter is double that distance all the way across to give us 10. The height we are trying to calculate. And we are told that the surface area is equal to 170 pi centimetres squared. We first use this information here to generate an equation. To work out the area of the top shape here, I would be using pi r squared multiplied by 2 as we have a top and a bottom. The radius is given to us as 5. That means I have pi multiplied by 5 squared multiplied by 2. We will leave our answer in terms of pi as we are working with pi in our question. 5 squared is 25, times by 2 is 50, which means our answer for this is 50 pi centimetres squared. The next area of the curved side would be pi times the diameter times by the height. We are told that the diameter is 10 as the radius is 5. That gives us an area of 10 pi h. The total of these areas is equal to this 170 pi. Therefore, we can say that 50 pi plus 10 pi h is equal to 170 pi, where the 50 we've calculated, the 10 we've calculated, and this has been given to us in the question. We are looking to get h on its own. At the moment, it is stuck to this 10 pi here. That means we look to get rid of the 50 pi by taking away 50 pi from both sides. That leaves us with 10 pi h is equal to 170, take away 50, which gives us 120 pi. H is being multiplied by 10 pi, which means we can divide by 10 pi to get h on its own, and we do that to both sides. That gives us the height is equal to 120 pi divided by 10 pi is 12 centimetres. Press pause while you try the your turn question. We first sketch out our shapes. We have a circular side with a radius of 6. We have a top and a bottom, so we have two of them. The radius was given to us in the question. Our curved side forms a rectangle when unfolded. The height we do not know. And the distance across the bottom is pi times the diameter, In this case, the diameter will be 12 as it goes all the way across. We calculate now the areas of the shape. The area of the top one is pi r squared multiplied by 2, as there are 2 of them, where the radius is 6. Pi times 6 squared multiplied by 2. 6 squared is 36, multiplied by 2 is 72 pi centimetres squared. The area of the curved side is pi multiplied by the diameter multiplied by the height. We know that the diameter is 12. That gives us an area of 12 pi h. We know that 12 pi h add 72 pi will give us an answer of our 312 pi here. That means we can show 72 pi add 12 pi h is equal to the 312 pi in our question. We are aiming to get our height on its own, and at the moment it is stuck to the 12 pi. That means we need to take away 72 pi from both sides to leave us with 12 pi h is equal to 240 pi. We can look to get the height on its own now by dividing by 12 pi on both sides to give us a height of 20 centimetres.